how to make VHS/tape effect, which you can see in today's music videos a lot. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first things first, we need the channel blur, we need effects rack, and type in channel blur. And of course, first you need to have your video. I mean, I think that's pretty logical. And after you type in channel blur, you go to blur and sharpen and go with channel blur on and drop it down on your video. After you have that, you will see on the left side of your screen red blurriness, green blurriness, and blue blurriness. What you need to do is increase the most blurriness you will increase is a red. So as you can see, red is going to be about 85. You can increase green a little bit, not too much, just because it's going to be blurry, and you can increase blue blurriness, as you can see right here. And now what you need to do, as you can see, we have these edges. We need to get rid of them, and we're going to get rid of them by clicking on repeat edge pixels right here, and we'll get rid of these edges. The next thing is going to effects rack again, type in noise and go to noise and grain and go to noise, and right now drop again on your timeline on your video, and right now you will see here amount of noise on the left side of your screen, and you need to just increase it so you can see noise coming on your video. I recommend about 33. It depends about videos, but you can also unclick this if you want. You will get more noise, but I will do with this use color noise. And right now you have your video. Let's play it. So this is your video. It's pretty much amazing. I mean, it's really like VHS tape effect, and it's done under a minute. Like you can do this under a minute. I did this like for 2 minutes, but just to show you how to do it, you know.